Hello friends, Marcy here. I'm taking advantage of the wonderful light coming through the window. It's been rainy and stormy all night and through the morning, dark clouds, but the sun's breaking through, and so I have some natural light to use in filming. And I'm going to get through this package. It is from Simply Gilded. It arrived yesterday, and I kind of forgot about it. It was a pre-order for June, a June special pre-order, but I ordered it February or March, a long time ago. It's kind of like a mystery kit pre-order. Not sure what I'm receiving here, but I can see already it's gorgeousness. I love Simply Gilded's washies, and not sure. Oh, it looks like it's all washies, no sticker kit except for those probably freebies. So let's get into the bag first, and we'll save the 4 boutique washi tapes for a moment. It's Galaxy 31.0 soft, and if it's soft, I'm already thinking I'm going to enjoy it. So we'll dump this. Oh my. Okay. Wow. So, oh. Okay, coffee. Yes. Yes, yes, coffee. All right. Sorry, I need to go through these slowly with you. I'm just excited. So, journaling card with the pastels and the rose gold bow. And then some stickers. A cacti, some desert mountains, and looks like a full moon. Fabulous. Beautiful bows with the colors. And what do we got here? Okay, like a tie-dye bow, a little extra, and there's always just gorgeous freebies. These are foiled icons. Says happy birthday with a birthday cake there. Some heart and bow checklists. So love the sampler freebies. Now, I want to get into these, but I don't want you to sit through torture with me and unwrapping all the plastics to go through what this is, because I know I see coffee cups, I see coffee pots, some stars. This one looks like it matches here. Anyway, I want to unwrap the plastic and then come back and share the details with you on that. But while I'm doing that, let's check in with the boutiques. Okay, so it says Galaxy, and here we have some moons. Actually, some looks like eclipse moon. Some silver foil with some stars. Silver washi with some star foil bow. And some constellations. So that's part of the Galaxy set. I will unwrap the plastic and be right back. Okay, I'm going to start with the tiny little 5mm rolls, and they are all just a solid background with a rose gold bow, which is gorgeous. I love rose gold everything, foil, or whether it be a ruler or a pair of scissors or a pen, whatever. I just love it. It's just gorgeous. Anyway, so we have the same pattern on different colors. Let's look at the pink. So it's not like a transparent background. Take a peek at some of these. And these greens are, actually these two greens are kind of similar. This one on the left is just a tad darker than this one. So they're close to the same shade, but so I don't need to unroll that one. And this one has like a dark gray background. I just got to find the end to show you. There we go, in the light. Okay, so 4 of the 5mm with a rose gold bow, which they come in handy in journaling pages and when you want to mark off or separate something in your planner. I love this size. And these, let's see, is that the one? Yeah, okay, so one looks like a gray-green, the one on the right, and one, the again, it's a cloudy day and the lighting's kind of off a little bit. This one looks like a pale dusty lavender color in the background. I'm not sure what the design is, unless it's supposed to be something like in the galaxy or some hieroglyphics in the foiled pattern. I'm not sure. If you know, please comment and let me know. I'm not sure what that design is. So here's what it looks like spread out. Any ideas? Same design, different background color. But anything that shimmers foil is just gorgeous to me. So I love it. It'll add some shimmer beauty to my planner page. And then we have some that are galaxy, just a background with some star and just confetti dots on a 15mm and a 10mm tape width. So, you know, I need to check. I got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here's 4 more. I have 11 rolls plus the 4-pack of galaxies. So that's 15 rolls of washi in this surprise pack. So it goes from like a dusty pink to a lavender background. And then this one is some coffee, which I love. I'm thinking these 2 rolls, unless it's just the lighting, look like they have the same color background. This one is a white with some pink accent. Some like coffee house, coffee cups, to-go cups, the frothy specialties, a teapot, coffee pot. So I'm being distracted right now. I'm talking about coffee and I'm enjoying the aroma in the house. I just put on a pan of onions simmering in butter because I'm planning on cooking some liver. I love liver and onions. Yep, I'm that weird one. It's a treat to me. I was planning on cooking it yesterday, but I was gone all day. Got home late, about 8:30, and not prepared to start cooking at that time of the evening. So I've shared those with you. I did not unwrap the plastic on these for the simple fact that I started to tear it on this one, and I thought, you know, I'm not really a galaxy person. So I have these constellations and these eclipsed moons. So I think I'm just going to tuck them back in. It's not my style. And I'm going to use them as a giveaway at a later time. So I did not open them. I left them intact. And I think this will be tucked away as a giveaway. I'll decide when and how I'm going to do that. But stay tuned because you might be the winner. Thank you for joining me in my little unboxing of my surprise pre-order from months ago. And I appreciate you. And I will see you later. Bye-bye.